million views, 220 million views, 88 million views. Yes, today we're going to create amazing AI videos just like these, and I'll show you exactly how to do it for free.
It's getting closer.
First, take a look at this YouTube channel. It has uploaded only 8 videos. Its estimated monthly income is around $4.4K, which is impressive. Now look at the views. The first video has 117 million views. The second has 220 million views. The third has 88 million views, and another has 17 million views. This channel is growing incredibly fast. The good news is that you can create the same style of trending AI videos with ease. In this complete course, I'll show you exactly how to make high-quality AI videos for free. We'll use 2 free AI websites to create trending videos, and I'll also show you how to generate AI voiceovers for free. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Everything you'll see in this tutorial is completely free. I'll simply show you the right way to use these tools. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, copy and paste the green prompt that says provide/send you. After you paste the green prompt, ChatGPT will ask you for YouTube channel links. Go to YouTube and copy the link of a video from the channel whose style you want to recreate. If you have another example video, copy that link as well and paste both links into ChatGPT. Next, ChatGPT may ask you for a description or script. To get that, open the YouTube video, tap Short Script and copy the script. Paste it into ChatGPT and it will analyze the content. After the analysis is complete, copy and paste red prompt 1, red prompt 2, and finally the green prompt. Once you do that, ChatGPT will automatically generate a 150-word story along with Scene 1 image prompt, video prompt, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, and all the remaining image and video prompts. Everything will be generated together and will be ready to use. Now it's time to create the images. Open it, select Phonex 1.0, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then, paste the image prompt. I've already created a couple of images this way. Simply paste each prompt one by one, and the images will start generating. It only takes a short time, and the results are excellent. Leonardo AI is an excellent tool for creating high-quality AI images for videos. It offers stunning image generation, fast results, and easy-to-use features. Whether you're making cinematic scenes, realistic characters, or creative artwork, Leonardo AI helps you produce professional visuals that make your AI videos more engaging and visually impressive. As you can see, all of my images are now ready with amazing quality. Download all the generated images. Once you've downloaded them, we'll move on to the next step, where I'll show you how to create the videos. One of the best AI video generation websites is Povid AI. I recommend it because you can create up to 20 videos per day for free using a single email account. You get 200 free credits, and each video uses 10 credits. I personally use this website, and the quality is amazing. First, click Create, then select Video. Upload your first image, copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it into the prompt box. Generate the video, and as you can see, the result is absolutely incredible. If you zoom in, you can even remove the watermark or logo if needed. Next, upload the second image, paste the second prompt, and generate the next video. Do the same for the third image and all the remaining images. Pop Video AI is a powerful AI video generation tool that transforms images into smooth, high-quality animated videos. It is easy to use, delivers fast results, and creates realistic motion with impressive visual quality. Whether you're making YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, or social media content, Pop Video AI is a great choice for creators. By following this process, all of your videos will be ready, and the results are outstanding. Now let's move on to the second website, which is Flow AI. I mention this website in almost every video because it also produces excellent results. Click New Project. A new email account receives 150 free credits to start with, and you'll also get 50 free credits every day. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio, then click Upload and upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, click Animate and paste the video prompt. After a short wait, the website will process your request and show an Approve button. Click Approve, and your video will start generating. Flow AI is an excellent AI video generation website that creates smooth, high-quality animations from images. It's easy to use, delivers impressive results, and is perfect for creating engaging YouTube Shorts and social media videos. As you can see, the video is now complete, and the final result looks absolutely amazing. Now, let's generate the AI voiceover. For AI voice generation, I use unlimited AI text-to-speech. I use this tool in almost every video because it's completely free. I haven't even logged in, and it still works perfectly. Open the website and paste your script into the text box. You can generate up to 1,000 characters at a time, and if your script is longer, simply generate it in multiple parts. Next, choose the voice you like. I personally recommend Blaze because it sounds the most natural, although Alex is another great option. Select the style you want, such as storytelling or motivational, then click Generate. Within a few moments, your AI voiceover will be ready. The quality is excellent, and the voice sounds very realistic.
Create an ultra-realistic Pixar-style 3D.
Now that we have the images, videos, and AI voiceover ready, it's time to edit everything together. For editing, I use CapCut. It's an amazing video editing tool, and I personally use it for editing, adding captions, and creating professional-looking videos. Import all of your generated video clips one by one onto the timeline. Slightly zoom in on each clip to remove any logos or watermarks if needed. Then adjust the timing of each clip to match your voiceover. After that, go to the animation section and apply any effects you like. There are plenty of free effects available, and if you want to try the free trial features, you can use those as well. That's it. Using these free tools, you can easily create high-quality AI videos without spending any money. Add your AI voiceover, make the final adjustments, and your video is ready to upload. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another unique AI method in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Keep back! It's getting closer.